Hi traders, before we get into today's analysis, I just wanted to give you a personal invitation to my free Forex trading webinars. You can register by using the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's now get into the charts. Now the Aussie yen's rather range bound, finding support at the moment at 93.03 weekly support, holding up weekly resistance at the top. Now as we're moving up from support, I would expect maybe we're moving back up to retest resistance. Can we advance this week back to 95.73 weekly resistance and then hold for a move back down the range? Alright traders, on to the Aussie dollar, which continues to decline. Rejected the 65.64 to 65.95 weekly resistance area on Thursday, moving down today's support 64.90, and we closed below the 6500 level this week. Support is at 64.90 down to 64.58. That's the low of the year, down at monthly support. So we may well come down to test this level this week, but can we move down and through? I would expect this potentially to be support, strong support. It's the low of the year, and we could see that level get tested to hold to see some form of corrective move back up the range. We'll just have to wait and see how strong the US dollar can contain itself after last week's CPI and PPI data releases. So it is under pressure, but this is the low of the year at 64.58. I would anticipate some kind of support coming in at that level. Alright traders, move on to Euro Yen. Now we actually broke above 157.99 last week. Strong day up Thursday, negative Friday. We're just testing 158.59, which is a weekly resistance level from back in time, 2008. So the level really to watch though is this area of resistance that we've broken above. Does that now become support? So this week, do we pull back to 157.99 to hold for a continued advance? There's always a possibility that that won't hold and we get a false break and we move back down the range. So level to watch, 157.99 this week. Does that hold as support now for a continued advance? Alright traders, on to the euro dollar. Now for most of the week, or all of the week really, we're holding at 109.43 daily support. We do have a higher bottom, higher top, but on Thursday after the CPI data we heavily rejected 110.41 and traded on Friday all the way back down to 109.43. So that's a level to watch this week. Can that level hold as support, or does it break to the downside? So watch 109.43. Does it hold as support? And can it move back up to retest weekly resistance at 110.12, and can we move back above the 110 level? So 109.43 is a critical level to watch. Does it hold as support or break to the downside? Alright traders, on to the pound yen. Now Thursday, Friday we tested 184.00 weekly resistance, holding there at the moment. Can the advance continue and break above 184.00 this week? There's a possibility that we may hold here, at least pull back to 183.24 day support before moving up, and there is a possibility that 184.00 holds as resistance and we actually just continue then to decline back down the range. So at the start of the week, can we break above 184.00 to continue the advance, or does it hold for a move back down the range? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend, pound dollar. Now we actually did put in a higher top here on Thursday, but heavily rejected 127.97 after the US CPI data, trading back down to weekly support. 126.79 weekly support held all week. Will it hold into the new week? So this week, will 126.79 hold as support, or are we breaking lower? That's the level to watch. Can it hold for a move back up to re-challenge 127.97. So this week watching 126.79. Can that hold as support, or are we breaking lower? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.